Oh, I should probably. I guess we're live. I wonder if we get any audio from there. So, what are we doing? Basically, what we need to do today is get all of the data in here loaded into interesting. All the data here loaded separately. So let's check this out. And this was like some test script that I wrote before to try to get the data from this. Let's see what it does. We want to use, God, it's really annoying actually having this microphone here. This is one-off test. Okay, so this one prints all of our tags at the moment. I guess a little bit of backgrounds, like I run a programming newsletter, which looks something like this. And right now I'm trying to convert all of these issues, basically all of this data for these issues, I'm filling it out on the provider, the newsletter provider that I use, and it's not being saved in my database, but I want to have it saved in my database so that I can write, I basically want to analyze it and see the performance of the articles and a bunch of other stuff. So I'm working on this script that will hopefully do that for me. Currently, I save the raw HTML here, which this script is pretty much parsing and taking out the parts that I need. But the issue is that like some of these issues don't look the same. So like this is an example of one of the more recent ones. But then if you go back to, I mean, just like 20 ago, I changed the format so we have like buttons here, and that kind of messes with it. And then if we go way back, I mean, like number 2, this is just like plain text. So there's a few intricacies that we need to take care of. But firstly, what I would like to do is take a look at what we have in here. This is the database that I'm using. Oops. That I made. And it's got some random stuff in it, but it doesn't have this table that I want, which is create table tag. I should probably change some of this stuff, whatever. Create table tag. Then we would have name, text, primary key. I think it automatically does not know. Let's just do created at timestamp tz default now. And I think that's fine. I don't think we need to add, what else would we want? Maybe a description? Description. I mean, no, that's stupid. This is just for myself. Probably don't need to over-engineer this much, but we make this table. Normally, if you're doing this in like a bigger project, you would want to have some sort of library to handle migrations for you, which actually I have something like dbmate. Yeah, DBMate's pretty nice. I'd recommend it because you can just, it's language independent, so you can use it across different projects and not worry about it causing issues with your project. Like I was using one that was from NPM for a project, and it was causing issues because of the versions. Like I needed different versions of Node to run the actual project and then to run the library. So yeah, it's better to just have something that's independent. But anyway, since we have all of those tags, what we really need, oh, okay, so we're connecting here to the database. So what we want to do is basically, we have our unique tags here for const tag of unique tags. Await, shit. PG, oh, pool, okay, so we got pool. Pool, dot query, insert into tag, name, we just need the name, values. That's pretty simple. Tag that, and then this is just gonna future-proof it for a bit later, because I'm probably gonna have to rerun this script a couple of times. So we can do something like on conflict do nothing. Probably have to go through this and see if there are any duplicates, but honestly, I think I've been pretty good with them. I don't know, let's see what happens. Boom. So that we got all this here. Oh, I actually did have this one. Okay. Let's order by name and see what these. I guess this is, we could kind of count that as a duplicate. Web dev. Whatever. We can check this out later. Oh, well, we definitely don't want that. Okay, well, that's not that important at the moment. Take care of that later. Are you allowed to drink beer on stream? I don't know. Or is that against some sort of policy? All right, well, let's move on. Also, how was the audio like? There's one viewer, but I don't know if that's me or someone else. Is it someone? Can you say hi in the chat? Maybe it's just me. Have I just been talking to myself this whole time? Alright, whatever. It's not bad. I'm treating myself as a rubber ducky. Anyway. Alright, so we got the titles, whatever. Now we need to figure out how to, basically I want to get, for each thing, I want to get the title and the link. If I can get the title and the link, I think that's pretty good progress, honestly. And I did a bunch of shit here which I just don't remember. All right, well, let's just look at what one of these things look like. Yeah, this is the most annoying parts. Basically this one, these few where, okay, if I can get most of these. Most of these should have the name and the link in the same object. So if we take a look at this, it's like a bunch of this shit. Probably want the intro for each one too. Yeah, I guess it's kind of hard because you want the HTML technically if you want to then use it formatted in something. Like if I'm going to be generating these again, I would want the formatting to be the same. So potentially I'd have to basically take the whole, if we look at this, god damn it. I want this whole part. This whole div. Why is that even a div? Well, I think I can assume that it's going to be between a span. I'm like, I'll keep the span there. But this is an interesting problem. God damn. Maybe I just have to do this manually. I really don't want to do that though. Why are none of these being console logged out though? This is actually kind of annoying. So we're looking through all the tables. Oh, Jesus. Okay. This is strange. All right, well, let's see. If we're gonna take all the tables in this thing, we're gonna have this table. I mean, I wonder how many of these have the same. This will probably be, honestly, a pretty good way of figuring out. Let's just comment this shit out. What? Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. But I don't know, I think, okay. We're just going to comment this out for now, because that was doing some stuff which I am not super sure about. What I want to see here, const h3s, query selector all, h3. I think we want where an h3s.length is equal to 1 console.log hrefs. H3s. So basically what I'm assuming here is that we're really only going to have h3 on the article names. Yeah, because look, this one is not even an h3. So basically anything that has, oh shit, well this one might. Is this h3? No. Pretty much anything that has h3 and is in a table, or any table that has one h3 tag, probably going to be an article. So let's see what this gives us. Okay, this printed a bunch of shit that we now have to look at. What I'm kind of surprised is that wait, what? This should definitely be this will definitely only have one h3 and boom. All right, so we know that that's that. We also know that this is this text. I'm not sure where I was getting the titles from. Title? Okay, so I'm logging that there. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, progress. So what we can see from here is that for each campaign, we're getting duplicate logging for each article. Whoa, I have no idea what's happening over here. Why is this one so broken? Oh, wait, this is not what we want. We don't want, I think we want a tref here. Did this give us undefined? Yeah, okay, that gives us a bunch of undefined. I think it's, oops. Attributes. Booyakasha. There we go. Now we're seeing the links, baby. This is kind of shocking though. It's not for each one, not for every single one. Oh, okay, no, this is working, but there's a new line character. What? Why is there a new line character there? What if I just do boom, boom, like that? We might have to, do we have to escape? I don't know. What? Something is very wrong here. This is very strange. What? Maybe I need to do that? I don't know. Something weird is happening there. That should work. Alright, whatever. At this point, it's not very concerning, to be honest. So why are we getting duplicates here? We are getting duplicates here. And by duplicates, I mean, why is this printing twice, right? We technically just want this to print once. And the issue is that we have this outer body, which is wrapping this inner body. So if we want to be really pedantic about it, we basically say that we want the subtables we want the number of subtables on this specific table to equal to 0. And this will make it only print 1. See? Boom. No problem. No problem at all. Okay. Well, now we got that working. What we want to do next. So we've basically found, I'm surprised, really, issue 45? What is, I'm surprised it doesn't work for all of them, because I don't think I switched. Maybe I did. Okay, so after, well, this is weird, right? It's weird that this is, Did I just do one link on 40? So weird. Computer-oriented programming. Oh, component-oriented. Oh, I guess this is taking that link from there. That is a bit problematic. Just a tiny bit. It's only doing a couple times. Is there something else that we can check for here? Can we say, basically we found this component for each thing, which is not bad. What this means now, so okay, another pretty cool thing is, since we're parsing the HTML, we can think this is going to be where we want to get the next link. Okay, so now I'm starting to remember more of what I actually did here with the script. Basically, this will work for a certain number of the campaigns, but for each of these articles now, did I add articles? I should probably do alter table, alternating tag, rename. I've already started it. You know, convention, like normally you want to normally one would want to call these by their individual name. So this be tag, article, campaigns, but I've already started down the rabbit hole of pluralizing all the names, so I'm not going to change the rest now. That would be a lot of effort. Okay. So we know this will work for 45. So what else do we want from these articles? We want the ID that's going to be randomly generated, the title, the URL, those two things we got. The author, we'll probably have to, well, I'll probably have to manually fill that in. The author Twitter, author email, that will need to be manually filled in. I'm just gonna make a list of these. Title, URL, tags. Okay. We're gonna want to get rid of tags because we're going to need to do we're gonna basically have to do a mapping between articles and tags. We're gonna have to make a table. It's a many-to-many relationship, so we're gonna have a primary key. This is actually a pretty neat feature. If you don't know about it, you can, in Postgres, make a primary key out of 2 columns in the table. So here we would want to do like tag ID and article ID. And then here we have tag ID. Should I just alter table? Rename column name to ID. What? There should be tags. Tags. Okay. Change that there. So now we have the tag ID, which is text, article ID, which is integer, references for foreign key, tag ID, references tags ID. On update cascade, and then we articles, article. Wait, what? There's no unique constraint matching given keys for references table articles. I'm confused. Oh. Wait, did I not give... There should... What? Oh, this is strange. Alter table, articles, alter column, ID, PostgreSQL, alter table, set column, primary key. I think this is the way of doing it. Boom, boom, shellac, lock. So the issue there was basically, I don't know, it's strange that that was an, oh, I guess because we're using in the ID in the primary key here, we need a guarantee that the ID from the articles table is going to be unique, because otherwise how would it know which object it's meant to reference? So that all makes sense. Yes, it does. How do I share this? Can I just go here? That's not what I wanted. Bro, I am not a huge fan of the Twitch interface. Oh, I just literally just want to, oh, maybe I can do this here. Boom, upgrade quality. Does it work? Nice. Wonder if that's good. Wait, Twitch TV. Huh. Interesting. Huh. Interesting. I guess I'm the only viewer. Okay. All right. Just wanted to do that. I'm going to take off pants because it's too warm. Anyway, so where were we at? We are basically filtering through the articles here and trying to get tags. We can worry about stuff basically after 45. We need no links in the H3 titles, so I need to retrieve it from the button after the table. That makes sense to me. Basically what I'm saying there is we need to retrieve the link from here because this is no bueno, it doesn't work. And that's in the HTML, that's just the next thing over. Oh, but need to use one table out. So same params as above. Well, I mean, honestly, we can do this. Else if we have, oops. Boom. This is what we want. Also, this is like super messy because this is just for my use and I'm not going to let anybody else use this. So, and hopefully I never have to use this again. Famous last words though, honestly. Less than or equal to 45, right? Yeah. And basically all of this stuff, but we want this to be equal to 1. So in theory, this then gives us the first conditional statement checks if we're in let's look at this. So these are all tables. So first one checks if we're, what the fuck? If we're in this table, then the second one looks, okay, we're below the 45th issue mark. So now we want to be on this outside table because we want to get the next element in the HTML, which is this button. So what we can say is that the sibling the next sibling is going to be table dot, I think it's a function. Is it a function? Let's see. Okay, it's not a function. Normally you can go check the docs for that, but that's just faster. Or did I just make this up? No, it's definitely there. Boom. Okay, so then that gets us to what? What? Wait, why is it? All right, whatever. We'll see. Well, what's happening in 20? All right, whatever. That's not a concern here. We're gonna basically work through this one at a time. So that means that the next sibling, we want next sibling to equal next sibling dot query selector all. There should only be one. So we want H3s because this will still be true. H3 0.text, that's still going to be that, and then hrefs is 0.attributes.href. Wait, what? Oh, I guess one catch here is that we can't be checking for hrefs. We can't be checking for hrefs. Ah, that makes it kind of harder, I guess. This should be well, this looks promising, right? What do we want? 45. Goodbye ESNI. Contracts, preconditions. Looks pretty spot on, if I can say so myself. Which one am I looking at here? 40? What? 40. Groundwork, boom. Objects, boom. This one, not a big fan. How can we see this? All right. How can we properly this is not here. I mean, it's going to include this href, so. Wait, what? Why is this counting this? Really, why? It's looping through all of them. I guess it's a case of Okay, well then, I mean, we know that for this one, I think this will take care of it. Oops. What? And now we just need to check that this is greater than 45. Right? Because look, now we go back to 40 and it'll skip that first time that it did it. And then we just get this, boom. Oh man, it's nice when things just work. When they just work. Let's see. All right, so the next thing that we need is let's double check here. We got title, URL, subreddit's gonna be manual shit, publish date, manual. Oh, well, technically we could do publish date. This could be automated. Published date. And campaign ID, well, summary. I mean, okay, we can put campaign ID last. That one's going to be something we do at the end. Does this work for all of them except V8 release here? I think I vaguely remember that in issue 8 there was, I think I just forgot to include the link. Yep. No link there. Okay, well, damn, that worked for most of them. That saves me a lot of time, honestly. Let's just continue with the publish date and then the summary. So what's a common theme? Let's just start at the top. Publish date. probably going to be when we're checking inside this table, we're going to want to see, get this. Okay, so it's only got one div, and then we probably want the first paragraph in that div after the H3. Okay, so we can, if we want to be fancy, H30, oops. We know that we have the date and tags paragraph is equal to h30.next sibling, right? Because it's going to be always a paragraph after that. And then in here, we basically have the publish date and the tags. This is actually simpler than it's not that bad. I think we can just do text, right? We can just say, this is going to be P. Just do that. Date and text. Let's see what this gives us. Okay, that didn't work. Not surprisingly, I guess. Actually, kind of surprisingly. What? It should just be the... Oops. Okay. You don't really tell us much. Don't really know much about this right here. What can we... I think the text gets nested in these spans. So that's why we don't see it. I mean, we can look for the deepest span. Honestly, I'm surprised though that this is not... What am I using here? Parser, node. Parser. I think it's this one. Nope, it's not. Damn, I totally forgot which one I'm using. What? I just always go to GitHub because I think it's more interesting. Not more interesting, it's more helpful. Interesting. Should we see what this says to string? What? Cheerio. Oh, well, that's the, I have to learn PHP stuff to do that. This one works for all the stuff that I've been doing so far. I mean, I don't really need to do that much for this. Like, yeah. Plus, doesn't it say this is faster technically? Which one does Cheerio? Yeah, look at that. That's so slow. So slow. It's almost 12 times slower. Wait, what? Oh, this one though? I think it's this one though, the HTML parser one. That's the one that Cheerio uses, no? Well, I don't know what kind of fault tolerance I need on this. I'm not like doing any crazy. Yeah, I mean, this isn't exactly fun, but this is what I get for not storing stuff in a database before. Oh, okay. Dude, the hardest thing about this is like you get so into the coding that you don't see what's happening in chat. So I'll go like 30 minutes without seeing it. It's just a coincidence that I was able to see your comments. All right, anyway, back to this. It's kind of weird that this is. Yeah. So yeah, get better, dude. Hope you feel better. All right, why is this not? What if I spans equals data date and tag paragraph that query selector all span dot log spans dot length. I mean, right now we are just going to check what is. Whoa. Whoa, really? This is strange. What am I missing here? Oops. I mean, this is definitely giving me some result. Oh wait, what? This is giving me a TD? What? This is definitely unexpected. Oh no, so it's in a TD, but then the tag, so the one that we're looking at is a div. What? Okay, what if we just do does this not? Just gonna put that to false for now. All right, well, this shit's also pissing me off down here. All tags. Okay. So, it's giving us that it's... Oh wait, no, this is the child. This looks weird. Text node. Oh, I think that makes sense. Wait, what? That definitely doesn't have a div though. Okay. No types. Oh, what? Represents textual content, an element, or attribute. I guess because it's not in the parse tree. Interesting. Okay, wait. Equals. Three paragraphs? Why are there 3 paragraphs in here? I guess there are. Wait. Oh. Is there anything setting this one apart? Nope. These are literally, well, I guess. I'm gonna guess it's something like that. I'm not sure though. Nope. Doesn't look like it is. Boom. Okay, well. That's not bad. We basically have dot map p dot to string ba 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 ba. What if we just get the text? Yeah, boy. Oh. Peas. All right, well, since that worked out, it's a celebratory beer. All right. From the darkness I arrive. This one is a black stout IPA. Okay. Okay, so basically the second one is always going to be so put that filtering there, and then we do the text there, and we can basically say that the paragraph for the date and tags is going to equal to paragraphs dot filter p dot text that includes tags That's a pretty easy one. And then I'm doing this because I don't think it's guaranteed what order they're in. So yeah, that is why. Const summary is going to be paragraphs, not filter, just the opposite, not p.text.includes tags. If there's some shitty edge case here, tags equals okay. Date and tags dot split tags. Probably that. Date is equal to date and tags dot split tags 0 dot replace published. I mean, this is not very necessary, but then we can do console.log date is date, tags is tags. Well, I mean, if we want to be pedantic about the tags, we could say split by comma. Then that should give us all the tags. Summary. Right? Oh! Date and tags is split is not possible. Which one is not possible? What? Oh. Something like that. Wait, what? $58. P paragraphs map p dot text. Oh, this is 1. What? No, everything's right there. Oh, no, I know. Boom. Does this give us what I want? Date. Boom. Tags. Boom. Summary. Boom. It's everything. It's everything. It's a beautiful, beautiful mess. Dot map. T dot trim. Oh, now it all looks nice because it's trimmed, bro. It's trimmed. Okay. Well, what to do? What to do? Now we want to take that away and put that there. $57. It looks like it worked splendidly up until that point. Okay, well that's fine. 57. Okay, so there is no tags on 113. It appears in the today's sponsor section. Oh boy. We didn't even think of that one, did we? No, we did not. Huh. Oi! I guess I was the second one there. Messed that one up. Alright. So 113 is throwing an error because of sponsorship. Is that really the last time there was a sponsorship? I guess so. Well, there's gonna be one on Monday. So what do we have here? We do want to keep track of these though. I don't know, there's so few of them, it might be worth just doing it manually. It's like 20 something issues I'd have to go through and do manually. I don't know. Kind of need to think about what would I want to use sponsors data for. I mean, there's the obvious, like the click data. I'm just gonna ignore it for now. I don't think it's that important. Basically, to ignore it, all we have to do is say and h30.text includes today's sponsor. Oops. The beers are kicking in. Boom. Shalaklock, right? And now it's all good. It is all good. Till issue 45. Damn, man. I was thinking about doing this manually. You know how much that would blow? I think ever since like becoming good at programming, I've just can't stand doing manual repetitive tasks. Just automatically want to program it, but it's not always the wisest decision to program it because it'll just take longer sometimes. Anyway, after 45, we have to change up how we handle things. I think theoretically it's the same though. Really. I don't think there's much difference. We haven't been getting intros though. That's a big one. That's another big one. I don't want to have to go through and get a bunch of intros manually. So here it's gonna be the same thing, I think, but we can just do that. There's really nothing that we're doing differently. Oh boy. 88. 88? What's 88? And this was in issue 42. It appears to have read that fine though. All right, well, let's check it out. 42. Jesus. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, well, that's because. Well, that's annoying. Is it for all of them? I think this is like an occasional error that happens because of stupid stuff, really stupid stuff, right? Because look, this one's in it. This one's is not in it. Isn't that super frustrating? That is super frustrating. It is super frustrating. What to do? Because it's like literally, it's custom logic for like one situation potentially. Do, 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 do. This must be me, right? Has there really been one person in here this whole time watching, or is it just me? I think it's just me. I can't tell though. I can't tell. Okay. So we have that one issue, bitsy problem right there. I guess we can check and see. If paragraphs.length is equal to 1, then we know no. Right? That's what we want to do. So date and that shit's all fine. Summary is where the issue's at. Const spans equals I mean, we could just do the shortcut, say more than 50. Yo, fuck it. Fuck it. Honestly. Table. Query selector all. Span. Const. Fuck's sake. Boom.
We take shortcuts for short problems. Did it work? Let's see. The issue before was at 43. Was it 43? 42. 42. No, that did not work. What's this? Character count. Let's count the characters. It's kind of depressing that we do that online. Oh, dude, that's a ton of characters. That's super long. 200, at least. Okay. Boom. Oh. Victory dance. Victory dance. Very interesting. Okay, well, it seems like that. It seemed like that kind of got around that issue. But now we are running into another one at 30. This is at line 102. This really gives you a good idea of how like code gets ridiculously out of hand. Like my problem that I'm trying to solve here is pretty simple, right? I'm just trying to read in 130 oddish newsletters and parse the HTML and get all the data points I want out of that. And I never plan on like sharing this or doing anything with this code after I write it this time. This is basically just so I don't have to do it manually, and it's arguable which one would be faster, honestly. At this point, would I have already been done with this if I just tried to do it manually? Potentially. What time is it? An hour and a half? Could I have done this in an hour and a half? Maybe, probably, honestly, probably. God, that's depressing. All right, well, shit. We've gone too far now. Oh wow. Lover of no summaries. 102. I think it's throwing another error there. Cannot read property text undefined. Summary. Interesting. So we can see there's a couple here that don't have summaries. But I bet they do, honestly. Issue 8. Because if there's, I mean, if there's one in it, it's gonna be. I wasn't that lazy. I didn't do well. It was kind of. Oh no. Wait, what? Maybe they're just too short. I still have the UTMs in here. It's pretty great. Attributing the traffic to someone else. Lovely. Such an amateur. Well, I'm guessing it's this one's optimization, Mercado Libre optimized. This looks like it should be more than that though. Character count. It's definitely more than 200. Yeah, this is a ton. Eight. Hmm. $18 and $17. Did I miss 18 and 17? I might have, I want to say. Yeah. Yep. $21. Well, it's gonna be 22. Huh. Honestly, this covers a good amount of them. And then, I mean, $28 and $30. $30 we knew about. $28. Man, I missed a couple of summaries in the day. $72. The first one. What? Oh no, wait, this is just a gap. No, that's fine. I think it's good, honestly. I think it's good. It's good enough. The other ones we can fill out manually. I still probably have to do quite a lot manually. Interesting. It's pretty good progress though. I mean, we have title, summary, and link for pretty much all of the articles. Okay. That's the best stout IPA I've had. For sure. Oh, I kind of want some Mexican food. That'd be nice. Okay. Time to just dump this all into the database. Wonder if that works. Yeah. Nice. Alright, gonna get some snacks. Be right back. Ah, bitches, I'm back. Alright. Let's get refreshed on what we want here. Okay, so we basically have everything we need. Just do articles. I mean, we could just do, let's just do this. Campaigns dot articles equals that. Then what? Then we have H3s and yeah. Like that. Then we have article title is equal to H3's 0.text. Article link is equal to hrefs 0.attributes.href. I think we want to do this here. Let's say URL. URL, publish date, summary, article.publish date equals date.trim. Do something like that. Article.tags equals tag.map t.trim. Article summary equals summary. Article dot title equals h3s 0.text. Article dot URL equals next sibling hrefs 0 attributes href. Article dot publish date equals new date dot trim. Article dot tags equals tags map t dot trim. Just do that. Seems easy enough. Trim, right? Two yanked. Article.summary. And this is for these if statements. So that means we can get rid of all this shit. And then here, campaign.articles.push article. What the fuck? Wait, what? Hmm. One, 2, 8. That's right there. It's literally right there. Articles. There's definitely not what we want. There we go. Damn. That looks good. We probably want to... There we go. Trim that stuff. Boom. Beautiful. What? What? That shouldn't be now. Nice. hope these are all trimmed. Gonna do some dancing. Are these all trimmed? Yeah, those were all trimmed. Okay. What do we have here? What do we have here? It's a very long stream. Very long. Boom shakalaka. Article.url, article.published date, article.summary, campaign.id. Wavepool.query, insert into tags to articles, article ID, tag ID, values, tag, nope. Turning ID. Right. Righto. Righto. Cons client equals 08 pool.connect. Try client.query.begin. Catch client.query commute. Wait. Wait. Wait, client.query rollback. Console.log. Boom. Finally. Client.release. Client. Article does not exist. I wonder. Bow, 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 bow. 110. What do we have in 110? What? What?
Not a cat. Not a cat! What's a video that lives in your head rent free?
Definitely clogged my boyfriend's toilet so I put the poop out and put in his cat's litter box. Then he asked if I pooped in it. I said no reason his cat has been dead for a week. Please pick me up.
What's a video that lives in your head rent free?
Definitely.
Hee hee. Ba, ba, ba. So it looks like .NET is not present, but .NET should definitely be present in there. Pretty sure there's one that was just null in here, right? What? Very interesting. What? Select. Shit. What? What do you mean it's not defined? Oh. The disadvantage of drinking beer while coding, you make a bunch of silly little mistakes. Okay, I think that's not that bad. So we get the same 153. Boom! Shellac-lack. Alright, WebRTC, WebDev, WebAssembly, Web. Okay, well, as you can see, there are a number of duplicates / typos in here that I need to fix. Okay, AI, algorithms, animation, architecture, ARM, ASM, that's fine. Assembly, all of that. I think Chrome, I think we can do the same thing there. Web dev, web assembly, web. WebRTC. Say web dev. Guess it works. Text, system architecture, Swift, Svelte, STM, SQL, server, SQL, Solidity, software architecture, shell security scheme, Scala, Satire, Rust, Ruby, robotics, source engineering, research, regex, Redis, React, Rant, computer, Python, PSQL, Postgres, PSQL, networking.net, NATS, MySQL. MySQL is different from SQL Server, right? That's what I heard here, yeah. Microcontrollers, memory, math, machine learning, Lua, low-level Lisp, Linux, layout engines, Julia, Java, JavaScript. JavaScript. Java, Janet, ISA, InfoSec, IS, HTTP2, HTTP, HTML. I think we can say HTTP2 is HTTP. I don't think we need to differentiate between different versions of HTTP in the tag. HTTP, HTML, history, historical. I'd say history. Haskell, hardware hacking, Haxor. I guess Haxor we can do. Hacking. Oops. GPU go get functional programming functional. Functional programming. Well, I think it's redundant. I mean, they know what I mean. Functional FP. Oh, FP. Yep. Oh, the most exciting part is cleaning up the database, right? Encryption, encoding, embedded systems, email, Elm, Elixir, Elf, .NET. .NET, Docker, design philosophy, design patterns, design paradigms, Just make it all design patterns? Yeah. Okay. I don't know. Design is technically different. Let's see. Click now where design 1489 typical. I think we can say design is I think that's fair. That's a fair thing to say. Data. Design data structures. Huh. Intriguing. Database. Dart, CSS, C#, CPP, compilers, compiler, compilers, compilers. Really just the plurals that I get you, really. Code design. I think code design, right? CI/CD. Chrome, certificates, cars, Calculus, C++. C, browser, brainfuck, block change, biology, big data, bash, ballerina, assembly, SM. That's crazy. What? 20? You just removed 20 of those? It's insane. Honestly, I think it's fine for now. I think it's okay. What time is it? It's already 11:10. I think I'm probably gonna wrap it up for tonight. basically, to summarize what we did, we loaded in all of the article data that we could into the database, which is pretty huge. And tomorrow I'll probably work on completing the database and writing the article. Okay, cool.